Lamb chop masala. For that we require 750 grams of lamb chops. So I've got about 6 lamb chops. The butcher has cut and given them, and this comes to about 750 grams. And this to be washed and drained completely. And then I've got 750 grams of onions. You can use red or white onions. 3 tomatoes to be pureed, or you can just put it in a blender and or just mash it up in a blender. And then we have one about 1.5 inch ginger and a few cloves garlic to make ginger garlic paste. And this is for in the beginning seasoning. So you have about 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 12 cardamom, green cardamom, 12 cloves, and small piece of cinnamon. Now you have about 2 inches of ginger to be sliced fine, and about 6 green chilies to be split. You have 1 cup of yogurt. This is 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And then at the end again you have 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. You have 1 lemon juice to be taken out, and then you require about 1/4 cup of oil. Keep a vessel or a pan on the gas or electric stove, and then put about 1/4 cup of oil, and when it is hot you add these ingredients, that is the spices. You have cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. So, and when after about 2-3 minutes, when it's hot, when sliced onions, that is 750 grams of sliced onions. I have put the spices and they have started spluttering, so I'll put in the sliced onion and fry it for some time, about 4-5 minutes, till it loses its rawness. It doesn't have to be brown, just till it loses its rawness. Lost its rawness now. And I'm going to add this chops now, lamb chops. I'm going to fry in that, and this will, you just go on frying to the. After you put the chops, put in the ginger garlic paste. And the sliced, split the green chilies and ginger, sliced ginger, the green chilies and finely sliced ginger. Add about salt to taste, 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon salt to taste. And mix well onion and the chops for about, if it's like gas it will take about 20-25 minutes. If it's like electric stove it might take about half an hour. So this is electric, I'm doing it for half an hour. I'll add in the powders and tomato puree or just blended tomato. It's been half an hour now, I'm just checking, and yeah, so the meat is nicely mixed with the onions and cooked. Now I'll add the powders, not fully cooked, but I'll add the powders. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Add the tomato puree or the blended tomatoes. Add mint leaves. I have not mentioned in the ingredients earlier, but add about 4 tablespoons of mint leaves. Mix well and let it cook for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. This is after about 20 minutes now, after adding the powders and the tomato puree. Now I'm checking for salt. A little more salt, maybe half a teaspoon of salt. And now I'll add the yogurt, lime juice, garam masala powder, remaining garam masala powder, and mix well and let it cook for another 10 minutes. The lamb chop masala is done now. So this is lamb chop masala, and we have now I put the remaining mint leaves and mix and put it off. Now you got boiled eggs, so you can put the boiled eggs. You can cut it into half and put it, or you can just put the whole ones. So cut it in half, or you can and mix and leave it there.